Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more updates. And coming to this week, assignment 12. This is the final assignment of NPTEL Internet of Things course. So until then I have made all the videos regarding 11 assignments and this is the final one of this semester. And coming to first question, ANOVA is an abbreviation for. The answer for first one is option B, that is ANOVA means analysis of variance. So mark option B as correct answer for first question. Friends, these are my probable answers. Mostly all of them are correct. And if you have any doubts regarding the change in answer, you can comment in the comment section so we can verify once again and others will also able to change it. So please watch the video till the end without skipping the video, because if you skip the video you will miss what in between I have changed the answers or not. So please watch till the end. And coming to second question, negative value of statistical dispersion helps in determining the nature of chirality of the data under analysis. Friends, I want to say something for the second question. Here they have given negative value, but for determining of statistical dispersion, that is SD, there should not be any negative value, and they have specifically mentioned that non-negative value. So they have given negative value. So option B, false, can be the correct answer for second question. So option B. And coming to third question, in statistical analysis, precision is inversely related to standard error. So the answer for third question is option A, that is true. So mark option A as correct answer for third question. Coming to fourth one, while performing analysis of variance, that is ANOVA, the variance between groups should be. So the answer for fourth question is also option A, that is same. So mark option A as correct answer for fourth question. Coming to fifth one, in smart water management system, which of the following layers are responsible for presenting the data to the users or consumers? So fifth question answer can be option B, that is processing or storage layer. And mark option B as correct answer for fifth questions. Friends, if you have any corrections in these answers, you can reply in the comment section and I'll try to reply to those doubts. And coming to sixth question, in smart water management system, which of the following integrated designs are necessary? So sixth question, the answer is both sensor and sensor nodes. So mark option C as correct answer for sixth question. Moving on to seventh question, the integrated design of remote servers in smart water management system, which of the following components is responsible for remotely accessing field data? So the answer for seventh question can be option B, web server. So mark option B, that is web server, as the correct answer for seventh question. Moving on to eighth question, in the integrated design of remote services, which of the following components is responsible for interacting, that means receiving requests and sending results, with the users or consumers? So the eighth answer can be option C, multi-user servers. So I am marking option C as correct answer for eighth question. See here. And coming to ninth one, that is they have given a statement and we should say it true or false. We should mark it. No network connection is required for performing in place analytics. So ninth question answer is option A, true, because it is correct statement and we are marking option A as correct one for ninth question. Coming to 10th one, IoT healthcare has different types of aggregators. Which of the following is responsible for determining the type of aggregator to use? So 10th question answer is none of these. So friends, I am going with option D, none of this. You can suggest a better answer if you think other one is correct. So I am going with option D for 10th question. And moving on to 11th question. Which of the following is the process of adjusting data from erroneous sensors to maintain uniformity and reliability? So 11th answer can be calibration. So I am marking option B, calibration, as the correct answer for 11th question. And coming to next question, that is 12th question. Which of these does IoT healthcare use for hiding patient identity and masking it? So 12th answer is option C, that is both hashing and reverse hashing. So mark option C as correct answer for 12th question, like this. Coming to 13th one, in the system architecture for ambulance, in case there are n hospitals, that means n number of hospitals, how many virtual machines, how many VMs, how many virtual machines are necessary in the blind cloud server? So if there are n hospitals, then there are n number of virtual machines. For one ambulance hospital, there is one virtual machine. So option B can be the correct answer for 13th question. And coming to last but one question, that is 14th question. How does ambulance overcome issues with complications in traditional emergency response services? So 14th question answer is option C, both remote monitoring and feedback. So I am marking option C as correct answer for last but one question, that is 14th question, option C. I am marked that. And coming to the final question of this final assignment, that is 12th assignment and 15th question. Which of the following sensors are responsible for measuring orientation and angular velocity? So 15th question, the answer can be option A, that is accelerometer. So friends, this is the assignment video for this assignment, and I hope this long series of videos have helped you. If you feel the same, subscribe our channel, like this video and share to your friends. Keep supporting till then. Thank you. Be safe. Thank you. Bye.